Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the merciful. Dear fellows, my name is Muhammad Asir Raza and I am from Department of Textiles, National Textile University, Faisalabad. Today I will be talking about extracorporeal devices and their role in medical textiles. First of all, just have a look on the share of technical textiles and what medical textile is. Medical textile is basically textiles of products and construction designed for medical applications. They are used for first aids, clinical or hygiene purposes and rehabilitations. The share of technical textiles in textile market is huge. It has a total production of 23.8 million tons in 2010 with a share of market $126 billion. The share of medical textile in 2010 was 2.4 million tons with a value of 8.2 billion US dollars. The categories of medical textile have been divided into five. Protective and healthcare textiles, these include the surgical wearouts, operation dresses, staff uniforms, etc. External devices including wound dressing, bandages, pressure gauze, prosthetic aids, etc. Implantable materials including sutures, vascular grafts, and artificial limbs, hygiene products, incontinency pad, nappies, tampons, sanitary towels, and there come extra corporeal devices which include artificial liver, artificial kidneys, and artificial lungs, which are also known as mechanical lung, and these are the latest advances in medical textiles. Now we have to know what extracorporeal devices are. Basically, these are man-made devices that are implanted or integrated into a human to replace a natural organ for the purpose of restoring a specific function or a group of related functions so that the patient may return to as normal life as possible. These include artificial kidney, liver, and the lungs. In this presentation, we will be discussing about artificial kidney and liver. Just to have a look on the materials used in extracorporeal devices. For artificial kidney, we see that its function is to remove waste from patient's blood. The system is hemodialysis, hemofiltration, hemodifiltration that it performs. Fiber types used for the development of artificial kidney are hollow viscose, hollow polyester fiber, cuprofen, cupromonium hollow fiber. Then comes the artificial liver. Its main function is to separate and dispose of patient's plasma and supply fresh plasma. Its system plasmapheresis (PP), hemoperfusions. Fiber used is hollow viscose. Mechanical lungs, as we all know, its main function of the lung is to remove carbon dioxide from patient's blood and supply fresh oxygen. System hemoperfusion, and fiber type used are hollow polypropylene fiber, hollow silicone, hollow silicane membrane. Artificial liver, it is one of the most significant advances in medical textile. The liver is a remarkable organ like the skin. It can regenerate after severe traumas. In fact, a patient can recover with only 20% of his or her liver still functional as the liver grows back. However, there is a point of no return after which the liver cannot regenerate, and there are underlying diseases conditions that in some cases make a transplant the only alternative. It's very clear that liver is one of the remarkable things in a human's body that can even recover after severe infection and trauma. But there is a level of recovery after which it fails to recover and a transplant is necessary. The main function of liver is it basically performs multiple functions which are essential to maintain life, including carbohydrate metabolism, synthesis of proteins, amino acids, metabolism, urea synthesis, lipid metabolism, and drug biotransformation and waste removal. Therefore, the preferred artificial liver support system would perform these various liver functions. Earlier artificial support systems were not widely used in cases of liver failure, primarily because hepatic toxins are albumin bound, unlike for most parts uranic pollutant hence cannot be removed by usual dialysis process. Fiber uses hollow propylene fiber, hollow silicone membrane. Hollow viscose is also used in this regard. Separate and dispose of patient's plasma and supply fresh Plasma is also function that is performed using these fibers. Now comes artificial kidneys. The kidneys serve as filtering devices for blood. The nephron, the working units of the kidney, filter waste material out of the blood and produce urine to secrete toxins from body. The kidneys also maintain normal concentrations of blood fluid which play a key role in hemostasis. Kidney failures affect 200,000 patients around the world each year. The function of the artificial kidney is achieved by circulating the blood through a membrane, which may be either a flat sheet or a bundle of hollow regenerated cellulose fibers in the form of cellophane that retain the unwanted waste material. Blood purification is an effective therapy for incurables such as end-stage renal failures. Here is the principle of blood purification. Principles of blood purification therapies are dialysis, filtration, and adsorption. Separation membranes and absorbents are used in blood purification devices. The working high efficient hollow viscose fibers are replaced coil or laminate in dialysis devices. The cross section of a hollow fiber type dialyzer is shown in the figure opposite to the writing, which consists of 4,000 to 20,000 hollow filaments having an external diameter of 200 to 300 micrometer. Blood flows inside of fibers and the dialysis flows outside of the fibers. Almost the same material is used for hemofiltration. The term artificial kidney is often applied to the whole system, including the pumps and the control circuitry for the dialysate, mixing, and delivery, and for the blood preparation and monitoring, pumping, deaerating, and return of the body. That's all from me for today. Thanks for your patience.